Good morning, students. In first part we study introduction to macroeconomics. Today we are going to start chapter 3, money and supply of money. In this chapter we will study firstly about introduction of money, then meaning of money, forms of money, functions of money and supply of money. So before going on detail, we will study about the introduction. When money was not in the system in olden period, what was there? There was a system of exchange of goods with goods. Means people used to pay in form of goods. For example, if a cobbler makes shoe and a farmer grow grain, then if cobbler need grain and farmer need shoes, then firstly they both have to find such a person who need shoe and grain. After that they will exchange grain. In farmer will exchange grain for shoes and cobbler will exchange shoe in exchange of grain. So this system was there in system that goods were exchanged with the goods, and if a farmer need a worker in his farm, then he pay in form of grain to the labor. So this system was going on, but with the time what happened, the needs of people increase and the system of this exchange was limited because it was not possible to exchange things in such a unlimited quantity, or we can say that in a large quantity. So then it was feel that something was there so that people find comfortable with the exchange. So it was feel that time money was invented, but not this type of money was in the system that today we are using, like paper money, coins and plastic money, etc. At that time gold coin was there, silver coin was there, that they were used in exchange of goods. If people purchase something, then he pay in form of gold coin and silver coin. But slowly the system came that money was invented, and the paper money firstly was invented in the China. After that it spread all over the world. So meaning of money. Money is generally defined as a thing that is commonly accepted as a medium of exchange. Money, when you go to the market, you purchase something, then you pay something in exchange of goods, and that thing you pay, that is money. So money is generally defined as a thing. Money is a thing that is commonly accepted as a medium of exchange. And before money, what was there? There was a system of exchange of goods with the goods. And what this system was called? This was called barter system. Barter system means barter system was a system in which goods were exchanged with the goods. Was a system in which goods were exchanged with the goods. In olden days, the system of exchange of goods with goods was called barter system. So barter system was a system in which goods was exchanged with the goods, but there was lot of difficulty in this system because it was possible storage of goods for a long time, and also there was difficulty in transportation of goods, and it was also problem of to measure the value of thing, that we take a example of that cobbler and the farmer. Means cobbler give shoe to the farmer, and farmer in return give grain to the cobbler. So it was difficult to measure the value of shoes in exchange of grain.